Whenever you're submitting a resume, make sure you are also submitting or attaching a cover letter. Cover letter is definitely very important. HRs or companies specifically, they also check if the candidate has submitted their cover letter or not. In this video, I will be telling you what is cover letter, how they are used, why they should be used, different type of cover letters, and I have also kept 2 different sample cover letters that you can download. Now watch this video till the end because you will get lot of information about cover letters. And there is the link to download these cover letters in the description of this video also. This is the second part of my video. In the first part, I have already created how you can write a resume. I have shared 3 different type of resumes. If you have not watched that video, you can click this link and you can watch the video and you can check how resumes has to be created and what are the different type of resumes that you can download. I have shared a link also in that video. So that is all about me. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button here. Click that subscribe button and to get all the notifications of my channel, my videos, my updates, don't forget to click the bell icon as well. In this video, we will see 4 different things. The first thing is what is a cover letter and why it is important. The second thing we will see is how many different types of cover letters are available. And the third thing is what are the do's and don'ts while creating a cover letter or while sending a cover letter. And the very fourth one is the samples. I will be explaining you the sample cover letters. That is also the link to download these sample cover letters is also mentioned in the description of this video. So we will be discussing that sample cover letters in the 4th part of this video. What is a cover letter? A cover letter is a document which you submit along with your resume. Resume is different, cover letter is different. Resume is a document or a file where you showcase all your qualification, your work experience, any projects you have done, your skill set, your personal information. But in a cover letter, you are introducing yourself to the company or the HR and you're also saying or asking them that you are submitting your resume, your portfolio, your profile in response to the job advertisement that this company has posted on so and so website or so and so job portal. You're also introducing yourself that you are a candidate and you want to apply as a candidate for this position. That document is nothing but a cover letter. Cover letter is very important because this is the document where you will be specifying that I am applying for this position. Many companies will have many vacancies. A company can have a software developer vacancy also. The same company can also have HR or human resource executive requirement also. The same company can also have an accountant, financial analyst or accountant job vacancy also. So in the cover letter, it will be very clearly mentioned that for which vacancy you are submitting your resume. That kind of document is the cover letter, and cover letter is very important. You must submit cover letter when you are you're handovering or you're submitting your resume hard copy or you're sending your resume in soft copy through email also. You should submit or you should attach your cover letter also. That is what cover letter is all about. Now, there are 2 type of cover letters. I would say one is a job application cover letter. You saw some job advertisement on Naukri, Monster, Indeed, any job portal, and in response to that, you are submitting your resume with cover letter to the HR, to the email ID that was mentioned in the job description. If in such scenario, if you are submitting your cover letter, that kind of cover letter I will categorize as job application cover letter. The second type of cover letter is a very generic or general cover letter. Suppose you walk into a company or you just saw a company, you went to their careers page, you went to their contact us page, you found their email ID and randomly you're submitting your resume to them. To that kind of job, I mean to say that kind of communication or networking thing, if you're sending an email or you're submitting your hard copy resume, then a very generic cover letter can be used. A generic cover letter will not describe that I saw your job application there, I saw your job advertisement there, nothing. Just I want to submit my resume so that in future maybe you can consider me as a candidate for your company roles and positions kind of thing. Now the third topic is do's and don'ts while writing a cover letter or submitting a cover letter. First thing is definitely Cover letter should always be a single page document. It should never exceed 2 pages or 3 pages. This is the very first point. Second point is, in the cover letter, you should write all the details in a very short and crisp way. You should not write like an essay kind of thing. The cover letter, the actual content of the cover letter should not exceed 8 or 10 lines. Otherwise, the HR or the person who is reading your cover letter, he will lose interest to read your cover letter and go check your resume as well. Cover letter is the first document. After cover letter, your resume will be attached or pinned or sent through email. So always make sure the content of the cover letter should be very short and crisp. Third thing, very important, when you're saving this cover letter, name the cover letter with your name. For example, if I save my cover letter, I will save my cover letter as Sushmita-Madhu-15 years or CEO founder, something like this. But you should mention your own name in the cover letter instead of my cover letter.jpg, my latest cover letter. Avoid using these kind of names for naming your cover letter. Don'ts, I would say, never fold your resume and cover letter. Don't pin too many times in your cover letter. So these kind of things you have to make sure you are not doing it with your cover letter. Always, when you complete your cover letter creation or preparation, convert that cover letter into PDF and only then you email your cover letter and resume to the HR or the company. You should avoid making grammatical or punctuation mistakes in your cover letter. Now for all of you, I have already created a sample cover letter, and you can find the sample cover letter to download from the link from a link that is mentioned in the description of this video. Click that link, go to that page, and whichever cover letter you need, you can download that. One more thing, make sure you are also editing the cover letter every time you are submitting to different HRs or companies. Do not use the same cover letter everywhere, because you will be changing the to address and the date and the place and all those stuff, the designation that the company is looking for. All those things you have to change also. Now I will also explain you the different parts of this cover letter. I will share my screen with you. So this is one cover letter. This is job application cover letter that can be submitted when you are replying to a job advertisement. You can see here I have mentioned date, to address, the subject of your cover letter, and you are starting with respected sir. This cover letter has 3 paragraphs. You can see here the first paragraph should mention, or the first paragraph should explain who are you and why are you writing this cover letter. The second paragraph should give you some more details about your skills and why are you perfect fit for this position. The third paragraph of the cover letter should give the details how you can be contacted and how you are excited to be called for a round of interview by this company. So all these things should be mentioned in the cover letter. Make sure whenever you are writing a cover letter or replying to a job description, always change the designation and always change the skill set depending on the job description given by the company. If the company is asking for a marketing executive, and if you are trying or you're applying for a marketing executive, the designation, the skills, all these things should be edited. So you can download this job application cover letter from the description of this video. I have also attached another cover letter that is a generic cover letter, and that can be used by anybody, any person, and for any industry, any company. So that cover letter link also you will be finding in the description below. The 2 sample cover letters that I have mentioned in the description of this video can be used by anybody. I mean to say, people from software industry, people from marketing industry, people from medical industry, people from teaching industry, IT, non-IT, anybody can use these 2 cover letters. Just you have to change the designation, the to address, the from address, and the date and all those stuff. So with very basic editing, these cover letters can be used by people from any domain or from any industry. So that was all about cover letters. I hope you got a good idea, and you also have downloaded the samples or example cover letters. Don't forget to edit that every time you use these cover letters. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you like the content of this video, please share this with your friends and family members also. You can also comment what you thought or what you think about the content of this video in the below in the comment section of this video. And that's all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tata, bye bye and namaste.